Jacob from TechWise here. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a new mailbox to your Outlook. I'm going to do it through Control Panel, so it's a more complex method than just opening the app. But if we open up the Windows Start menu, I'll do a search for Control and it should come up with Control Panel. We'll select this. And then on the top right, if you just do a search for Mail and then Mail Microsoft Outlook, select this. Here we go, we've got a new window. Drag that into the middle. We'll select Add. I'll just call this Test. This can be a new test profile. This has auto-filled the details, so if your machine was joined with your organization, it may well fill out the details. But you don't have to do that. You can do a manual setup or just get rid of this and then type the email that you actually want in, and then you click Next. May have to put a password and authenticate here, so it might come up with a Microsoft sign-in box. You could also add third-party email providers, but for this example, we'll be talking about Microsoft-based emails. This is auto-filled everything because this machine is joined up, but when you click Next, usually it would ask for a password box. Then you may need to enter that and then do a number of your authenticator app, whichever app you use, most likely the Microsoft one. Once it's authenticated, you'll then get these 3 ticks like here. Get a few options at the bottom. You can change the account settings, which we don't need to because it's added all successfully. And you also got a tick box to set up Outlook on my mobile phone too. Once it's created, as you can see, it's selecting the default profile here, test. So we'll click OK. Close that down. Now we'll do a search for Outlook and we'll open up the app. That should then open up. And as you can see, it's got our email there. Here's an example of the old version of Outlook 2. I've just opened this up so you can see it's added in here. I can also go through, we'll do Outlook, open up the new version of Outlook. If you wanted to add an account to this existing profile, you could just click the settings icon in the top right here. We'll wait for that to load up. Click the accounts menu on the side, click your accounts, add an account. This is a slightly different menu, but it's the same thing. You put your email address in, do continue. It'll most likely come up with a sign-in box and authentication. Go through that, and then that will add sort of similar to how we did before. And then you'll close out of it, click finish once it's done. And it should show up on the left. If not, just restart the Outlook app, and then it will show up there for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just leave us a comment down below. And that's it. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.